Hello from Cookbook Divas. This is Carrie, and I adore rye bread, and I've never tried to bake it before. So let's take a look through this cookbook, The Rye Baker, Classic Breads from Europe and America by Stanley Ginsberg. I'm excited to check it out. It may or may not make me less lazy in the kitchen. I still might not bake my own rye bread, but I'm eager to take a look and find out what's going on. This came out in 2016, I believe, and here's some conversions for the recipes. That's handy. It is from W.W. Norton and Company. And let's check out the table of contents. The making of a rye baker. The unruly weed, the reaper's harvest, rye baking today. An ingredients list, 9 steps to great rye bread. Equipment, immigrant bread, America. The essential loaf, France and Spain. Oh, I didn't know that. Robust and complex, Holland, Denmark, and northern Germany. Sweet and crisp, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. Aromatic and flavorful, Bavaria, Switzerland. Austria and Italy. Dark and intense, Russia and the Baltics. I usually have Russian rye, that's what I'm familiar with. Tender and piquant, southern Poland. Rich and varied, central and southwestern Germany. Wow, I didn't know I was going to learn so much. So they give us a map, which I will study later when I'm off camera. The making of a rye baker. I'm going to skip ahead a lot because this is a big book. Ingredients. Luckily, I live near a Whole Foods and a PCC market, so I can get specialty flours. If not, there's always Bob's Red Mill, King Arthur flour. Okay, not going to have any pictures to show you because we're learning so much about the types of rye bread. Okay, let me skip ahead because we're here for the pictures. Oh, here's the pans, the equipment you might use. I have 4 out of those 7 picture. We're getting into the recipes. Dakota Norwegian rye. Is there a picture? Nope. New York corn rye. Wow. Okay. Oh, excuse me. This book is heavy. Jewish bakery pumpernickel. Aha, a picture. Old Milwaukee rye. Does that have beer in it? I don't. Nope, just warm water. Okay. This is a complicated. There's a lot going on here. Oh, molasses, beaten egg, butter, caraway seed, cornmeal for dusting, caraway seed for topping, baker's percentages, la la la. This is. I guess I would have to get a food scale, which I don't have one. The essential loaf, France and Spain, Breton folded rye. So this is not a beginner cookbook or baking book. Not a lot of step-by-step photos. Normandy apple cider rye. That sounds incredible. Oh my gosh. Let me skip ahead. Ooh, pumpkin seed rye. These sound so good. Now I'm hungry for bread. Trying to cherry pick some of the good photos. East Berlin malt rye. But I can't show you the whole book. That's not fair to the author and publisher. Slow-baked Frisian rye, hearty seeded rye, honey flaxseed crisp bread, rye tortillas. I didn't know that could happen. Here is a picture of a sour ring bread from Finland. Here is Munich penny rolls. Those are cute. Here is a Swabian rye blossom. Beautiful. We're halfway through the book. Whoa, what is this? South Tyrolean Christmas Zeitan, something. Not Satan. I didn't say that. What else do we hear? Oh, Boule. The Austrian country Boule. Beautiful. Don't know why it's white on top. Here is a caraway beer bread. I love that they have the photos labeled. Here's another Franconia crusty bowl. Love it. We're getting down to the end. Here's from the Baltics, Lithuanian Christmas bread. I'd like to try to make that for the holidays this year. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm a vegetarian, but I'm going to show you this Riga rye with a fish on top. What? How did that happen? I don't want to know. Here's a delicious raisin orange rye. And all the steps. Milk sponge day 2 morning, final dough day 2 afternoon. This is a lot of work. The glaze and the baker's percentages. Here's a Belarusian sweet rye, but no picture. Spiced honey squares, no picture. Lithuanian potato rye. I need more pictures. Okay, I'm going to pick one more picture to show you before the book ends. Here is a Weinheim carrot rye. Wow, this book is way above my skill level, but I'm so appreciating looking through it. I might try one of the easier ones. That is the Rye Baker, Classic Breads from Europe and America by Stanley Ginsberg. And I'm going to turn off the camera and go read the introduction because I think I'm going to learn a lot about the history of rye bread in Europe. Thanks so much for watching. You can see more of our cookbook look-through videos at Cookbook Divas. We have a blog, cookbookdivas.com. We're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, where you can see our reels and flip-throughs of cookbooks. And we also have a podcast for those of you that like to listen to those. Bye.